textile design, this is your assignment for the week. This is your very first assignment in Illustrator. And the instructions are in the front, which we'll go over in a little bit. I suggest on the back that you write your notes on the PowerPoint, because it'll give you information on how to create the assignment as well as some suggestions on creating the designs. Okay, so textile design. Who knows what textile design is? Okay, you create something. Do you know what you create? Take a look at the picture.
Shapes.
Shapes, right? So you create shapes on what? What do we see in the picture? Okay, you're creating them on the computer, yes, but where can you see the textile designs?
On the wall.
On the wall, yes. Where else?
On the dress.
On her dress.
Picture frame.
Okay, so she's within the picture frame where we see her dress. What do we see on this side?
A rug.
Sofa.
Sofa, rugs. So all these things that you're telling
Isn't
me,
it like patterns?
they're all patterns, exactly. They're patterns of designs that you create for fabrics. So what is textile design? Pretty much textile design is the process of creating designs. And these designs can be from very simple to very complex designs, depending on what they're intended for, or what the designer wants to show, or even what the fabric is supposed to be used for. And it's designed for knitted, woven, and printed fabrics. And we see these fabrics everywhere, pretty much. So where do you see textile designs in everyday life? Why don't you guys give me some ideas?
Clothing.
Clothing. Any specific type of clothing?
Black shirts.
Okay, t-shirts. What else?
Curtains.
Curtains, very good. So sometimes the curtains match what? In your bedroom, what do they match?
The bed.
The bedding, right? So the bedding. Sometimes curtains are sold with matching bedding. I don't know why, but people like that. Where else do we see textile? Okay, hold on.
Walls, rug.
Rugs, very good. I heard somebody over here. Rugs, okay. Where else?
Bags. Bolsas.
Bolsas, bags, yes, ma'am. Okay, I got that one. Yes, so bags, right? Handbags. Even your backpacks right here in front. Joshua, right? Joshua has one. And as you can see, it's pretty much anywhere. And guess what? Artists are making these designs. Graphic designers are making these designs. So this is a direction of art and career that artists can work in. So as we can see, yes, rugs are an example of textile designs. This is a very basic design, very modern. You can see it's very clean lines. What is the shape like?
Flower.
A flower. Do you guys like this? No? Okay, maybe. Ooh, what does this remind you of?
Bed.
Pixels, right? Pixels in Photoshop. I love this rug. I think this is, this upholstery, this couch, I should say. Very nice. I really like it. And yes, so somebody had to create this design. Most likely they took a really large picture and they put it in Photoshop, right? You can see it happening now. And so it kind of came out with this pixel formation of squares within each color within each square. Bedding, so somebody said bedding as well. And you can also find it in, of course, the pillows. So pillows, there's a variety of pillows you can find. And they can either be for your couch or they can be for your bed. Clothing. I mean, every type of clothing you can possibly think of. This is a great example. I mean, we see it on the dress. We see it on her skirt. We see it even on here, the scarf, the hats, the shirts, their stockings. So textile designs are everywhere. You just gotta look. You gotta be aware.